Number 3 is here. Welcome. My name is Darla, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining me. If you're back for another If you're new, my name is Darla, and if you're back, thanks for coming back and joining me. So we are on number 3 of our Christmas giveaway, and I'm having a blast. This is so much fun. I hope you guys are entering and getting all of the requirements that you need for these giveaways, because I can't wait to send them out. So number 3 is by Bakerie. Look at how cute the whole line. The entire line is so adorable. If you guys are one of those kind of people that like miniatures, which I totally am, like I used to go through the grocery store and just want like the miniature Tabasco, the miniature ketchup, all those little miniatures, well, you could have that and it wouldn't have to just sit there, because who uses those things? I've bought them before, but I've never used them because I didn't want to break the packaging. This is makeup that is all bakery inspired. You gotta check it out. It is so adorable. So this little guy I picked up, it's called Blending Eggs for baked beauties or cute chicks. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That's the first time I've even read that. I had to get this because it was just too adorable. So what you get in your little carton of eggs, oh my gosh, it's so cute, is little beauty blenders. So you get 6 beauty blenders in this little package, and they all have their own little bed that they sleep in. Great when used wet, complexion smoothing, get those hard to reach areas, and durable, reusable, eco-friendly. Those are our nutritional facts. Oh my God. I can't even with this packaging, it's just so cute. So that is our number 3 giveaway. Not much to say about it. I honestly haven't used their beauty blender, so you could tell me what you think about them. But I've had a chance to play with part of the brand, and it's adorable. The packaging's adorable, and the product is nice. I've tried their lips. They have like a lip scrub, really nice. So to the important things, I'm gonna go over this again because, you know, I was a teacher. 4 requirements to enter. 1, be subscribed. 2, like this video. 3, comment. Since I said teacher, comment below who was or is your favorite teacher and why. I'm getting the nod in the back. Who is your favorite teacher and what subject was it? Number 4, follow on Instagram so I have your tag name in case you win. And it is still US only. That was number 3 for this week. We're gonna announce the winners of Monday's video, Tuesday's video, Wednesday's video, on Friday of this week. I'm so excited. It'll be a random drawing. Then I will find you on Instagram and get your info. I'll DM you, congratulations, woo woo, it's holiday, and you got a gift, and I will get it out to you. So good luck. I hope the holidays are not stressing you out and it's doing the opposite and you're just having a fabulous time. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.